In a swirling storm of controversy, whispers circulate that Diddy may have acted as an FBI informant, a startling assertion put forth by former Death Row CEO, Suge Knight. This shocking claim has ignited relentless rumors and investigations into the depths of Diddy's past, leaving many questioning what lies beneath his public persona. The heart-wrenching tragedy of a stampede at a charity basketball game in 1991, where 9 innocent lives were lost, casts a long shadow over Diddy's legacy. Many pointed fingers at him for overselling tickets, and while the legal repercussions were minimal, a nagging sense of accountability for public figures lingers in the air, haunting the collective conscience. As Diddy navigates his troubled past, incidents of violence, including a shooting tied to his entourage, signal a deeper crisis of gang rivalry simmering within the hip-hop community. These occurrences complicate a public image that many had once admired, casting a pall of uncertainty over his career. In 2008, a shadow loomed larger when shooting victim Naten Rubin alleged that Diddy shot her, igniting a legal battle that culminated in a settlement of $1.8 million by 2011. However, the legal verdict exonerated him, raising questions about the true cost of justice in high-profile cases like his. The legal system's response to Diddy's circumstances starkly illuminates the disparities in how justice is meted out, often favoring those cloaked in fame and wealth. This troubling reality raises significant concerns about accountability, especially for those wielding power and influence. Recent developments have plunged Diddy into deeper turmoil. Serious allegations of racketeering and sex trafficking now hang over his head, threatening to lead to a lengthy incarceration if convicted. Yet, his legal team maintains a steadfast stance, urging the world not to rush to judgment, emphasizing the complex nature of the situation. Amidst the tension, concerns regarding Diddy's substance abuse and access to firearms have heavily weighed on the judge's detention decision. The prosecution amplified these worries, underscoring the grave implications of the charges that loom above him like a dark cloud. As the storm intensifies, Diddy's ex-girlfriend and an array of accusers have emerged, filing multiple lawsuits that detail allegations of significant abuse and inappropriate conduct spanning years. This alarming history prompts a crucial inquiry into his behavior, leaving many grappling with the dark realities of their experiences. The conditions within the Metropolitan Detention Center, where Diddy currently resides, are described as harsh and unforgiving. Overcrowding and understaffing have led to frequent lockdowns, raising serious safety concerns for all inmates, adding another layer of distress to an already tumultuous chapter in his life. Despite the bleakness of his current jail conditions, which afford him just an hour of recreation each day, Diddy remains resolute, dedicating his focus to his defense amid these severe challenges. The weight of his legal battles looms heavy, yet his determination shines through. Striking comparisons have been drawn between Diddy's plight and that of Jeffrey Epstein, both navigating the treacherous waters of serious allegations and unusual circumstances in their high-profile detentions. These parallels deepen the intrigue, reflecting vast concerns about the integrity of the systems meant to protect and serve. In a shocking twist, the FBI and Homeland Security have turned their investigative lens toward Diddy, amidst grave allegations of misconduct. This intensification raises profound questions about safety and accountability within the entertainment industry, a realm often draped in glamour yet shadowed by darkness. Cassie's lawsuit reveals a chilling decade-long narrative of control, abuse, and manipulation that irrevocably alter her life and career. With allegations including physical assaults and emotional torment, the toxic dynamics of their relationship burst forth into the public eye, demanding awareness and action. The unfolding details paint a stark picture of how Combs allegedly exercised extraordinary control over Cassie's life, financially supporting her while invading her privacy and creating a suffocating dependency. This intricate web of manipulation made it heartbreakingly difficult for her to escape the clutches of an abusive relationship. Combs' purported involvement in voyeuristic activities and sex trafficking deepens the unsettling narrative that surrounds him. Cassie's accounts of being coerced into degrading situations lay bare the devastating psychological consequences of the abuse she endured, echoing the cries of many who have faced similar trials. In a moment of hope, the Adult Survivors Act emerges, allowing victims the opportunity to file civil suits even after the statute of limitations has elapsed. This empowering law creates a one-year window for survivors to reclaim their narratives and seek justice, igniting a flicker of hope in a darkened landscape. Adding to the chorus of allegations, music producer Rodney Lil Rod Jones has stepped forward, accusing Diddy of sexual harassment and other illicit activities. His claims, bolstered by recorded evidence, further intensify scrutiny surrounding Diddy's conduct, revealing an unsettling pattern of behavior. A growing multitude of women have begun to voice their own accusations against Diddy, including serious allegations of sexual assault and coercion. These troubling revelations coalesce to form a harrowing narrative surrounding Diddy's behavior in the industry, igniting fierce discussions about power dynamics and accountability. In a shocking lawsuit, Jane Doe recounts horrific allegations of gang rape at Diddy's recording studio, including being drugged and trafficked across state lines at the tender age of just 17. Her story illuminates the severe exploitation faced by young women in the music industry, stirring a collective outrage. The weight of the accusations against Diddy grows heavier, compounded by prior allegations against his lieutenant, Harve Pierre. This troubling pattern of abuse within Diddy's inner circle unveils broader systemic issues entrenched in the music industry, prompting a critical examination of the culture that enables such behavior. Despite the gravity of these allegations, Diddy has publicly denied wrongdoing, vowing to fight for his name and protect his family. Yet, the seriousness of the charges at hand compels a thorough legal examination, as the outcomes of these cases could pave the way for accountability and justice. In a significant turn, Combs voluntarily withdrew his lawsuit with prejudice, a decision that highlights a profound shift in his business strategy amidst escalating concerns regarding his conduct. This choice reverberates throughout the industry, sparking conversations about accountability. Following Cassie's lawsuit, Combs stepped down as chairman of Revolt TV, an effort to shield the network's reputation from the cloud of scandal that looms over them. This deliberate action speaks volumes about the far-reaching consequences of the allegations. The serious nature of the allegations has led to the cancellation of a planned reality show featuring Combs, further emphasizing the damage to his public image and the collective reckoning the industry is undergoing as it grapples with unsettling truths.